Well, I grew up in States, and I used to belong similar gym. It's called YMCA in Minneapolis, and also Atlanta, Georgia. And the way it works up there is like, your local gym. There's boxing equipment, there's boxers, there's trainers, there's everybody out there, and it's the sky's no limit. It's what you like. There's a lot of potential, right? So if you want to continue and pursue your, what makes you happier, you can make it happen. It's self-fulfilling prophecy. It's pretty much like you can make it happen whatever you like to do.
Fast, fast!
I train myself daily, 4 a.m., wake up in the morning, just until like 7, 8, and then we do like serious cardio, heavy cardio, boxing, like, weightlifting. And then we go to work, just regular daily, we get the bread, right? Running and then come back, stay at home for the kids, and then come back again for the gym in the evening. Until you become pretty much like, yes, you're a boxer now. What I see is people don't have a lot of knowledge about this, so I'm just glad to fit in, you know what I mean? So I encourage them to join any local gym, wherever is close to you. Make sure you join it. Healthy body, it's healthy mind. Young guys are very enthusiastic to learn this stuff. I'm just happy to teach them. And the way they've taken it is absolutely phenomenal. I see that they are still hungry for this, right? What I encourage for the youngsters from Somalians to continue working out. Working out will help you to give you a nice body with healthy body. Every human being must work out 2 hours a day. If you don't even have equipment, you can do push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, squats, all that stuff, For me, coming from overseas, right, like North America for the past 24 years, I'm just excited to be in my country, original country. This is where my family, my father, my ancestors from here, right? And I'm just excited, to see something real bright and optimistic. The fact is, I see on my own eyes, it's getting much better, like time after time. So you don't even have to have equipment to work out. The most important thing, just get sweat. It's through some blood, circulation in your heart. That way you will feel better. And then healthy body is healthy mind. You make a good decisions eventually. When you work out, you feel good. Less stress. Put it that way.